So in this video I'm going to show you and talk to you a little bit about the ignition coil for the Briggs Stratton 14FB model, and this applies to the 19, 23, and 14, 19, 23 models. And so if you look at the manual, which you can download for free from Briggs and Stratton website, it actually lists the part number for the ignition coil as 290880, but on the part itself, as you can see, is 292104. I just washed it a little bit and you can see it. So I'm going to try to clean this up. There's some rust there and there. Feels like the big insulation is a little bit loose, so maybe some of this rust got inside. So yeah, that's what it looks like. You can't really take out the middle part, but if I was from Pakistan or India, which I'd like to be, if I couldn't find this, I did find a few of these ignition coils on eBay. Looks like they used to have them on Amazon, but not anymore. But what you could also do, which very, very few people do, is actually rebuild this, or make another coil. You count. You disassemble this, see the length of the thin wire on the secondary, length of the wire on the primary, the width, just buy the magnet wire and put epoxy on it for the outer insulation, and you're done. But hopefully it doesn't come to that, because that kind of takes a while. So let's see if cleaning it up works. So it looks like on the machine it's fairly clean actually. So there's the magnet there. There's the magnet on the other side. I think it was scratched at some point. And there's a little spring there. So I gotta make sure I don't lose that. But so yeah, that's that. This part you don't really ever have to replace this, because it's just a magnet, and this is just a block of steel. So this is from 1954, and it's in pretty good shape, as you can see. But sometimes if these faces have rust on them, then electricity won't flow. So we'll see if cleaning that up on both the armature and the coil bar, see if doing that works. Alright, so some measurements. If I ever have to actually rebuild this or make a new one, from edge to edge it's pretty much 5 inches. Doesn't really matter if it's a bit longer, but the width and the height probably matter more. It's 0.79 inches wide. Let's see, you won't zoom in, will it? There, 0.79 inches wide, and it's 0.445 inches wide. Sorry, high. So 0.445 inches that way, and 0.79 that I said inches that way on the width, and about 5 inches from 5.5. Let's 5 right there, 5 inches side to side. In terms of height, and I could potentially make this a little bit bigger. It's about It's about 1 3/4 inches that way as it sits. So this is how it sits on the motor. And then this way, it's about 2 inches.